ദൈവം ദേവൻ തല്ലേ ഇപ്പൊ മുതൽ മുതൽ
Hi everyone, good evening. Hope everyone is fine.
Hello, sir.
So,
Good evening, sir.
I hope everyone has installed their AutoCAD software. Is there any problem? Anyone facing any
Sir,
problem?
sir,
Yeah,
I
please tell me.
just now I got the email of access, sir.
Okay, no issue, no issue. We'll start and just do the practice. And if any problem, just text me. Okay, I will share my WhatsApp number at the end of the class. But just remind me. If any problem, just text me. Okay. So, is there anyone who has not installed any is the AutoCAD software, or he don't know how to install? Is there anyone? Okay. So we will start today. I will show you. Okay, I installed 6 months ago. So this. Okay, that's good. So today we will start with the AutoCAD and use we will use some commands. So I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible now? First, we will learn some theory because there is no such theory, but we have to know something before starting, like command and what we are going to use, how we are going to use, what these are. So we are going to learn today coordinate system. If I'm not audible or any glitch, just text me. Okay. So we are going to start the coordinate system. There are three types of the coordinate system in AutoCAD. First one is the absolute coordinate system, relative coordinate system, and the direct distance method. These are the coordinate system in which you draw your geometry by the help of these things. Means these are the systems, coordinate system. I hope everyone is aware from the x and y coordinates, of CISA and ordinates, x and y. Am I right? So three coordinate systems: absolute, relative, and direct. We'll start from the absolute coordinate system. First, I will show you where it is and how. we'll start the AutoCAD software. So this is the user interface of the AutoCAD. This is our workspace in which we are going to work, and we will draw our geometry, we will design, we will do draft anything whatever we want. So we will use our first command today, that is line. This is the command we are going to use today, and first we'll understand by thoroughly. So this is the command that we are going to use. You can use by this clicking your mouse from here, line. Let me hide this one. Okay. So you can see in a command bar, a line command is activated because it is saying that line space by first point. The highlighted point is that is line. So I'm skipping it. Okay. Again, I'm starting line. So the command is activated. Before line, I would say that you must be aware from the ordinates and abscissa. That is, x is ordinate and y is abscissa. This one. So this is called the origin system, and everyone knows that origin system is 0 0. Every origin has no value. It's only 0 0. X is 0 and y is 0. So that's why x and y here 0. So this is called origin. Two types of the coordinates is one like this is our user system, and and other one is world coordinate system for the reference. Okay, so we are going to deal with this only. This is user coordinate system, which is 0 0. Okay, so first I will give a command L for line. You have to note or not right now, but you have to learn and remind everything like commands, that L for line, C for circle, CO for copy, REC for rectangle, everything. I will teach you. But for now, just look here. L for line, we are going to start, and our first is a absolute coordinate system. So first we will just show how to create line. When we give the command, we have to press enter or space bar. Right, okay. Uh, Please mute yourself, everyone. Okay. So line is activated. You have provided given the line command for L, and we are going to draw a line. Okay. L, enter. You can uh, move your cursor or point your cursor anywhere in the workspace. So I am putting here. Okay. So you can say that line is drawing only, but line is not straight. How will you make sure that? If you see that this is straight, but no, this is not a straight line. You can't say that this is straight line. To draw a straight line, we have an option that is ortho. Here given it is ortho. It is only direct in 90 degree. You can say you can adjust it 45, 30, whatever you want. But 90 is okay. This is a recommended. So we will on it. Now we are giving again line command. Enter. So now can you see that this is drawing straight line, straight line, straight line. Nothing like any angle. This is straight line. Okay. So there is difference between these two lines. This you cannot say that this is a straight line, but this is a straight line. Okay. So you have to use ortho as per requirement. If you have to draw a straight line, just on the ortho, there is a shortcut key that is F8 to on and off the ortho. I am providing the command. You can see that I am using my keyboard. This is on, off. So I'm going to use with the ortho. Okay. So before I forgot one thing. Before using start design drafting, you have to set the units, like in which units you are going to work, like inch, feet, whatever the project requires. So for that you have a command un enter. So one tab will open. You have to set your units. So we are right now dealing in So in Indian standard, we deal with the or feet inches, but most of the time we will deal in And for the angle, we will it taken by default anti-clockwise. But if you click here clockwise, it will use in clockwise. So let it be default. Okay, we are going to use in and precision. You can see we are going to use this precision. Okay, so where we so we are going to use coordinate system. Okay, let me show you absolute coordinate system. The first coordinate system is that kind of coordinate system in which the every point that you are going to draw with the line or any command, it will consider from the origin system. I showed you where is the origin system. This is the origin system. This is its absolute system. If you want to draw a line, okay, I'll enter and you want to create a line of length, what? Like a 10 mm. Let's say 20 mm. Okay. So 20 mm in X direction or Y direction. Let's say if you want to draw in X direction. So Y will be 0. Okay. So you will put 10, comma 0. Look what happened. It is very small, very small. Okay. No issue. This is very small. So let's say 50, 50, comma 0. Okay. So X value is 50. You can see that there is a value 50 here. I can't use my cursor because it is activated now. So you can see the position of this point here. It is 50 comma 0 because we have not given any value or the distance for the line. We have just point out a point in X and Y coordinate system. So 50 comma 0 is a point in a coordinate system which is reflecting here. Okay, this point, this point. So next, now if you want to give any other value, it will start from here only, this origin system, not from here. This is called absolute coordinate system. Okay. So let's if you want to provide a value like 70 comma 0, 70 comma 0, the command will be activated until and unless you will exit or escape. You don't have to give command again and again for line. Okay. If you are in one go, enter. Let's see. This was this one. I'm escaping it. Okay. Okay. This point is called 50 comma 0. This is 50 comma 0. Okay. And this is 70 comma 0. But the distance between from this point to this point is not 70 or something. This is only 20 because the difference of 50 and 70. And the reference point is only this one. That is origin 0 comma 0. Okay. So this is called absolute coordinate system. Every value, whatever you are going to provide to draw a line or anything, it will consider the reference point, this one. This is 0 comma 0. Only 0 comma 0. Let's say if you want to draw a line of 50 comma 50, it will be an inclined line. But first it will be a point because just only point. And again, if you want to point, give a value like 90 comma 90, it will be now inclined line. Okay, this is 50 comma 50 or origin, sorry, coordinate, and this one is 90 comma 90. If you will check, okay. So this is called the absolute coordinate system. Any doubt? Anyone? We will start. We'll learn one by one, not in
Good
one go.
evening,
We'll
sir.
learn one by one. Yeah. Good evening.
Sir, this is my first class, sir.
Okay. Have you watched the recorded class? Is it available?
Sir, I'm not getting recorded classes, sir.
Okay. I will talk to the technical team. They will provide you. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If I have doubts, I'll ask in next class, sir.
Yeah, sure. Just was the recorded class. I'm starting for the command from the first day today. We have just given the review about the software and installation process.
Yes, sir.
Nothing more than this. Okay.
Okay,
No
sir.
problem. Any problem? Anyone? Okay. So we'll start the next. We will go to the next one. Okay. This one is the relative coordinate system. First one you understood. Hope if anyone have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, we are proceeding. If anyone any doubt, you can ask me in the end. No issue. Okay. So second one is the relative coordinate system. Relative means with respect to, means in the reference of not someone, but just it's a previous one. Okay. Relative coordinate system. It is of two types: relative rectangular coordinate system and the relative polar coordinate system. Rectangular means, just remember one thing: rectangular means x and y coordinates, and polar means something in reference to the angle. It is just something in reference to the angle. Anyone? Doubt? Okay. Please mute yourself. Please make sure. So, rectangle means this is a value which consists of x and y, and the polar means the distance and the angle. So we are going to deal with this. So first one will relative rectangular coordinate system. Okay. Okay. So we are going to learn now relative rectangular coordinate. So this one was the absolute. Now we are going to relative rectangular. So if you want to create any line, say line, given the command L. Now we are going to provide a value. Okay. We will provide a value with, let me show you one thing that will clear everything. Relative rectangular means you have to provide the value by adding the at the rate here, at the rate x and y. This is the main thing that separates or the differentiate the other with the other coordinate system. Okay, use at the rate, then value for the x and then y value. It will directly indicate your cursor to that point in the coordinate system. Okay, let's say if you want to create a line, I'll enter, and if you want to give any point like 5 comma 5, so you have to use at the rate 5 comma 5. See in the command bar what I'm giving the value, it will reflect to that value. Enter. This one is the value 5 comma 5. Okay, it is not considering this point, or else you can put your cursor anywhere. It will by default take its default location or the coordinate system. Let's say I'm giving this value. This is my start point. Now from here, if I'm giving any value, it will count from here. Okay. I'm giving the value at the rate 10 comma 5. Okay. This one. You can see this one. In X, it is 10 and Y, it is 5. So the next value is considering from the previous one. Okay. Just previous one. I'm giving the value L, command L, and now I'm giving any value. Let's say at the rate 20 comma 0. See, it is considering from the previous one, not from the origin here, not from here. At the rate 15, comma, sorry, 0. I want to go in y. 0, comma, 20. See, it is going above. Okay. So you have to provide a value in rectangular coordinate system with at the rate x comma y. Just you have to remember this thing at the rate x comma y. I will share this PPT with you. You can read and note it down. It will help you very. Okay. So this is the way you have to provide the coordinate accordingly. Okay. So this is the relative rectangular coordinates.
Sir, how will you share that
Yeah.
PPT, sir?
Uh, I will ask the technical team if there are any like group or anything on the portal. I will share in that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, how can I install my AutoCAD software?
In previous lecture, I think it was on Saturday.
Uh,
Sorry, Sunday. I shared everything, but don't worry. I will share the steps or any video link for that. You can easily install that. Are you a
okay,
student
sir.
or working professional?
Student, sir.
Okay, I think everyone is a student here. So few people have installed. No worry. I will share link or anything material that will help you to install it.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. So this was the relative rectangular coordinate system. Now we are going to learn relative polar coordinate system. So I said earlier that polar means angle. You can read this. This system specifies the distance, length, and the angle of a particular point with respect to previous one. Same as it is with the rectangular, but you don't have provide any y value. You just put a angle, and the angle that I said that it will by default take in anti-clockwise. Okay, but when you check it, it will be clockwise. It is up to you only. Okay, so in the relative polar coordinate system, points are established by typing at the rate distance and the angle. Okay, let's say we are going to provide any value line L. So I am putting my cursor here, and I want to, let's say I'm doing off ortho. Okay, my mouse is free, but it doesn't mean that it can go anywhere without taking the value. It will take the value whatever I will provide. Okay, so ortho is off, line command is activated. We are going to put a value, giving a value. Okay, so if you want to give a value like let's say it's 65, and what will be the angle? For the angle, you have to use the less than value, shift and less than symbol, and you want to use 45 degree. See, no, it's not working. Something is- Yeah, someone is sketching anything. Chandu, here.
Sir,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Sir, you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me.
Uh, Sir, I have no laptop. Just I want to say how we can use.
Your voice is not clear. You said you don't have laptop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then how will you do the practice? Because for practice you need laptop, buddy. From where you
Which
are?
laptop now? I'm from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu.
Acha. Tamil Nadu. Buddy, for the
Yes, sir.
practice you need laptop. Just arrange your friend's laptop or anyone's for a month. After learning, you can
Sir,
back as a laptop. Sorry.
Friend's laptop. Friend's laptop.
Yeah, you
You
can
need
use
your
a
own
friend's laptop.
PS.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
because of our practice you need. Because I am telling you that it is not theoretical. It is only total of the practice. The practice you more, the more you learn.
Yes,
You have
sir.
to do the practice only. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So yeah, line at the rate 55 less than 55. Okay. Sorry, my bad. You have to use at the rate here also. But for the length of the distance of the line, whatever you want to use. Okay. When you select this line length, it will show you it is up to 65. It is showing. This is a quick property tool palette. It will show you if you on from here. This one is a quick property. Okay. So this was the polar coordinate system in which you provide the direct distance and the angle. Okay, this one I was forgot this one. You have to use at the rate and less than angle. Okay, it will show you and create your geometry. Okay, so this was the polar coordinate system, and the last one is the only the direct distance method. In this method, we most of the time use our ortho system. Ortho will be on and you will just provide the value and will go. L, you put your cursor wherever you want to create your geometry, like here, and ortho will be off on 8. Okay, so it will just consider the direction of your cursor. Let's say I am moving in x direction, positive x direction. Just observe my cursor. Okay, I am moving in positive x direction. I'm providing a value like 80, let's say. Okay, so this is the value 80. And if I'm going here, I'm not providing any angle, any at the rate with the at the rate, nothing. I'm just using my cursor and providing any value. Let's say 45. It is going in positive y 45. But if I'm going again in right and giving any value, it will again in right positive x direction. If I'm going down, it will take value whatever I will provide. Okay. This is as simple as you can. Okay. And if you want to close it, there is a command C enter. It will close from the first point to end point. If you will create any geometry and want to close it, it will choose its first and the last point and connect it. It will connect it. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we want to close it. C enter. It will close it. Okay. Yes, it will close it. Okay. This was the coordinate system that we have learned today. I will share this PPT with you. Just read it, learn it, and practice it. Okay. So anyone have any doubt? Because the AutoCAD will start from the basics, and we are just learning basics. And if you forget the basics or you are not understanding the basic, then it will create problem in future
Good evening,
classes.
sir.
Okay. But if you have any doubt, just ask. Good evening.
Sir, for me also, this is the first class, sir.
Sorry, this is your first class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so earlier I don't have teach anything like technical or the from the command. I have just shared only a review, overview, and the software installation process. From
Okay,
the
sir.
first
Yeah, sir.
today's the my also first, yeah,
Sir, how can I get this one, sir? App and all. How can we install this, sir?
software.
Ah, yes, sir.
Yeah, let me show you. I think most of the people getting confused. Okay, uh, everyone is a student here. I think, yeah, na? So you have to go a website that is Autodesk. Okay. You have to use your student ID. Okay. It will help you for 1 year. You will have a free license for 1 year. Just open this website Autodesk. Go to this website and sign up here. Use your Gmail ID, whatever you have. Just sign up here, and then let me show you. Okay. So this is the interface when you will sign up here. Then again sign in and go to the product. Here you will find the AutoCAD, or else you can search here AutoCAD. Okay. It will show you multiple type of the AutoCAD, but you have to use only this one, not this LT or RP, ArchiCAD or anyone. Just the simple only AutoCAD one. Okay. And here you will start the download free trial. It will direct to this page, and here you have to use your student ID. It will ask for you, so upload your ID and proceed. Okay. I have uploaded, so that's why it is not asking to me. And you will then again, when it will be verified, you will redirect to this page, and just see there is AutoCAD for Mac, Web, uh, architecture, electrical, LT, Mac, Map 3D. But you don't have to install other, or don't get confused. You have to just install this one, AutoCAD only. Okay. Just click on this, select, and it will ask you the version. So you just install the latest version, 25. Every year it gives an update, smaller or the whatever, but new version release every year in the March or April. Okay, access the product I will use, then it will get installed by default. Okay, it will download. It will take some time to install. You must ensure that you in C drive must be a space more than 30-40 GB. Otherwise, it will be hanged. It will take a lot of time to open. You will face a problem. Okay, so make sure that space will sufficient space. So from here, you can install your AutoCAD. Okay. First, you have to sign up in the Autodesk. You have your student ID, use here to sign in, and then just search for AutoCAD, install here, the latest version. Okay, I think everyone got. Okay, I'm sharing the WhatsApp number. If any doubt, just text me. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
start in a WhatsApp group, sir.
Yeah, you can create anyone. Just create WhatsApp group,
Okay.
so we can solve our doubts. If anyone have any doubts, must be there must be a doubt because everyone is beginner here.
Okay.
I will share some assignment to you, and you have to submit it before the classes, so that I can review it, and you can learn whatever you are making the mistakes. Okay.
Okay. Sir, AutoCAD
Yeah.
can also be accessed on mobile.
Sorry.
AutoCAD access via mobile.
Nobody. Autocad is not available for the mobile. You can just view it. There is a software viewer, docs viewer, or the small software applications you can install for the viewing the drawing. Not you cannot use AutoCAD like in you are using in a laptop or the PC. It needs some
Okay.
configurations like graphics, Intel processors, RAM, and all that. You cannot use in auto phone. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For practice, you need laptop or PC, because if you learn, you will just read theory here and just attend the class. You will forget in some days, but when you will do practice, you will learn, and it will be remembered to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then we'll wind up here. I will share some assignments, to create the this coordinate sum. Okay, create some geometry. Let me show you some geometry if I have. So mm, I will show you. Okay, I will share it with you. Try to make. Otherwise, I will tomorrow create it, draw the geometry, and if any problem, just tell me. Okay. Okay, sure. Okay, okay, no issue. Okay, just share your contact details, but don't misuse it, and create a WhatsApp group. Okay. So before class today, tomorrow's class, please make sure that everyone has to install the AutoCAD so that we will practice together. Okay. If any problem, any doubt, you can ask then. Then it will be great. Okay. So should we wind up?
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.